Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Have all the attention at your BFF's wedding with these stunning Mehendi outfits for bridesmaid. While you girlies leave no stone unturned in creating looks that are the real show stealer, I thought these trendy dresses will be of great help to you. These fuss-free Mehendi dresses are all what bridesmaid needs to slay like a diva at a Mehendi ceremony. We know that something light, something colorful is everyone's Mehendi style, and that is why these outfits will totally have your heart. Check out these super trendy Mehendi outfits for bridesmaids and save your favorite ones. Totally loving this super pretty and yellow floral embroidered bustier plazo set which caught our attention. Well, slay your Indo-Western look with this wow crisscross jacket with yellow flared pants that is truly the real show stealer. How stunning is this beautifully embroidered one-shoulder blouse paired with a plain skirt? I think this is just the perfect pick for a Mehendi ceremony. Another one that stole the show. I am in awe of this oh so gorgeous lavender net plazo set with an offbeat blouse and are not getting over this outfit anytime soon. Mehendi ceremony surely calls for an extraordinary sharara look and this elegant one truly bowled us over. Don't you love it too? Well, if you are someone who loves to experiment with outfits, then this one with a frill jacket surely has our hearts. We are all eyes for this breezy peach suit with frills paired with dhoti and is just the perfect pick for the ceremony. If you want to go OTT with your outfit, this maroon suit with heavy embroidery and light dupatta is what we have our eyes on. This green sharara suit tops our list and the charm of it is so captivating that we can just adore this piece forever. Slay at your BFF's Mehendi with flared pants and an embellished blouse and I bet all eyes will be on you. Don't miss out on this super trendy red chiffon organza jumpsuit with a ruffled drape and embellished belt. Loving the simplicity of this one. So ladies, ace up your style game with these beautiful bridesmaid outfit ideas that will be a hit this wedding season. After all, your bridesmaids are in the limelight too. Let them rock their look and become the center of attention with these gorgeous Mehendi dresses. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.